Hi there, this is Mrs. Black. I wanted to take an opportunity to kind of walk you through a few of the features in Class Dojo. It's come to my attention that a few parents may not be really familiar with all that Class Dojo has to offer. And this is my first year being a teacher as well as a parent, and I never really realized the different view between the teacher app as well as the parent app. So I kind of wanted to just walk everyone through the different features so that you can get the most out of Class Dojo and be up to date and aware of everything that's going on in the classroom. So I did create a new student for our classroom just for demonstration purposes. So you are going to want to log in, and obviously I'm logging in on my laptop. I know many of you have the app downloaded on your phone, which is fantastic and easy. And there are a couple of differences here or there that I'll try to point out, but for the most part, it's fairly similar. So you are obviously logging in as a parent. And then this is your home screen, which will be pulled up, and obviously your student will be listed over here. My child's name is Jane Smith. And Jane Smith was added to the class today. So if you look over on the right-hand side, you see the news feed. Basically, anyone, any professional in the school is able to post to the school story. And whenever I post to my classroom story, this is where it posts as well. So it's important to check out this news feed on a daily basis because this is where you will get a ton of information about what is going on in our school. So obviously Mr. Petrie has posted, and these are my posts, the PTA posts. Mrs. Edwards has posted. So you will see many different important events, important things that are going on in the school and in the classroom. So you want to make sure that you take a peek through those on a daily basis. Now I want to take you into your child's specific report. So to view the different dojos that have been gained and lost each day, you are going to need to actually click on your child's name or the monster. And this is what you will see. So down here, you will see that Jane has had a little trouble today because her green circle is not at 100%. So I, as a parent, want to know what happened, what's going on, why is that not 100%? So then I'm going to click on that report, and then it brings up all of the points that she has earned or lost throughout that day. Also, you might see a quick note from the teacher explaining why Jane lost a dojo or gained a dojo. So here we see a negative dojo for lunch because she was throwing food. Then we have all the positives for power goal, responsible, compassionate. Oh, she was being a little unsafe. She was running in the hallway. Here is academic excellence. She was doing a great job in math. And then her above and beyond. So the notes from the teachers, please know that this is a very fast and quick way for us to let you know the context of the behavior. It is never meant to sound abrupt or rude by any means. It's just we're in such a fast-paced environment that we have to make our notes short and sweet. But if you ever have further questions about the behavior or what actually occurred, then you can definitely message the teacher and she will message you back within those messaging hours and the parameters for Class Dojo. I know a lot of parents were kind of missing this because some notifications are not sent whenever points are lost or gained. So I just wanted to make sure that everyone was able to see this area of Class Dojo because it's not very clear and clear cut whenever you look at the reports. So be sure that you are taking the time to review this with your child at the end of each day. Just have some discussions and definitely praise those positive points and maybe just have a little bit of a discussion about those negative points. So this is back to your home screen, as you can see, and then this is your student. So again, you just click on your student's name to get there, and then you click on the report to find those dojo points. Of course, the teacher can send a separate message through the messages area. and with that, you may receive a notification via email or text that a message has come through. So if you have any further questions about ClassDojo, please feel free to message your child's teacher, and we would be more than happy to answer any questions.